You need a good credit score to buy a vehicle or take on other finance. Whether you're 18, just starting out, 24, 55, it doesn't matter how old you are. If you're buying a car for the first time, we're going to share a strategy that works literally every time. In the next couple of minutes, we'll show you how we've helped thousands of customers become independent. Step 1, we need to ensure that the account where your money gets paid into your income is a check account. If you have a savings account, upgrade it. Most banks will do this for you without any major cost. Make sure it's a check account. The reason for that is the banks score you much better if you've got a check account rather than a savings account. Trust me on this one. Step 2, we need to get you a credit card. Be very careful here. We don't want to get you in a financial position where you are overexposed and you've got too much debt, you can't buy anything. The reason for the credit card is a small limit that you pay 2 to 3 days before month end. Because a credit card reports to ITC and the credit bureau, this automatically builds up your score. And that's ultimately what you want. You want a higher credit score. Okay, step 3, we need to get you a cell phone account. Again, this strategy is not to put you in debt or to put you in trouble. It's merely to build your credit score up. Even if it's a data account, something small, make sure it goes off a debit order so that you don't forget the monthly installment. Every time it goes off, again, it builds up your credit score. Okay, step 4, clothing account. Any one of the major clothing stores, open an account, maximum 1,000 Rand. Buy stuff on it, again, 2 to 3 days before month end. Make sure that you pay that account, pay it up in full. Once again, they report to the credit bureau, which lifts your credit score up. Remember, 2 to 3 days before it's due, it means you're a good payer. Now, step number 5, you need to wait and execute for 3 months in a row. Thereafter, you need to find the newest vehicle that you can buy with a 25% of your current income as an installment. So for example, if you earn 10,000 Rand, you need to find a 2019 or 2020 vehicle that pays 2.5 per month, not more. That way the bank sees the vehicle as a small risk. Should they repossess the vehicle, they'll be able to sell it off on auction, and you are within your affordability bracket. So it's going to be an easy financeable vehicle for you. The car is a low risk, you're a low risk because you've been paying your accounts for the last 3 months very well. Boom, you've got an approval, you're independent, you can get your first car. If you find this type of content useful and informative, please don't hesitate to share with all your friends and family. Also, hit the subscribe button as well as the bell, and all the new Mid-Mac Masterclass episodes will come to you first via notifications. Take care, everybody.